Hi everyone. Today I want to take a moment to talk about the Social Security Fairness Act. If you are in this situation that I'm about to discuss, it's important to submit your application as soon as possible so you can receive more money. As you may know, the Social Security Fairness Act was signed into law by former President Biden on January 5th, 2025. This law is retroactively effective from January 2024. However, the Social Security Administration is still working on it and has not yet implemented the law. It may take another year or even longer before it is fully enforced. This law is designed to eliminate two major regulations: windfall elimination provision, WEP, government pension offset, GPO, and as many of you may know, about 2.1 million people are affected by the windfall elimination provision. And for those impacted by this regulation, your monthly Social Security benefits have been reduced by an average of $360 per month. Once the Social Security Administration completes its work, they will refund any amount that was deducted from your benefits starting from January 2024. So many of you will receive a fairly large lump sum payment retroactively. Now, regarding the windfall elimination provision, the average reduction is $360 per month, meaning that your Social Security benefits were partially reduced but not completely taken away. And when we talk about the government pension offset, there are about 745,000 people affected by this rule. The ones hit the hardest are usually widows and widowers who receive survivor benefits. For those affected, their monthly Social Security benefits are reduced by an average of $700 to $1,190 per month. However, when it comes to the government pension offset, your Social Security benefits can either be partially reduced or completely eliminated, meaning you may not receive anything at all. This happens because Social Security looks at how much you receive from your government pension each month. Here's how it works. If you have a pension from a government job, they take 2/3 of your monthly pension amount and compare it to the Social Security benefits you're eligible for. Let me give you an example. Let's say your government pension is $1,500 per month, and your Social Security survivor benefits are $900 per month. Now, 2/3 of your pension is $1,000. Since this $1,000 is more than your $900 in Social Security benefits, your entire survivor benefit would be completely offset, meaning you wouldn't receive anything from Social Security. If your Social Security benefits were more than $1,000, they would only reduce the amount instead of eliminating it completely. But if your Social Security benefits are $1,000 or less, then the entire amount gets offset and you won't receive any benefits at all. For many years, many of you have been affected by situations like this. What I mean is that you may have contacted Social Security to apply for spousal or survivor benefits, but then Social Security applied this rule and you realized that you wouldn't receive anything. Because of that, some of you didn't continue with the application process. If you never completed your application, then Social Security has no official record of your claim. That means when they finish their work and fully implement the Social Security Fairness Act, those who never submitted their application will not receive any back pay from January 2024. On the other hand, if you did submit an application but were told you wouldn't receive anything because your benefits were fully offset, Social Security still has your record on file. Since they already have your official application, you will be eligible to receive back pay once the law is fully implemented. That's why it's very important for those who in the past realized their benefits would be fully offset and never applied with Social Security to go ahead and submit an application now. This way, Social Security will have your record on file, and when they apply this new law, they will be able to issue back pay accordingly. Even though you won't receive back pay from January 2024, if it takes Social Security another year to fully implement this law, they can pay retroactively based on the date you file your application. For example, let's say it's now February 2025, and Social Security needs until February 2026 to complete their work and apply this law. If you don't submit an application now, you won't receive back pay for that extra year. But if you file your application now, they will have your record on file, and you will receive the money owed to you. The same applies to those who have never applied at all because they thought their entire benefit would be offset. Now is the time to start the application process so that Social Security has your record, and when the law is fully implemented, they can issue back pay accordingly. Okay, everyone, this is the topic I wanted to share so that those in this situation can be more aware and avoid losing money unnecessarily. Thank you all so much. See you in the next videos.